peeps? Welcome back to Lucci Land. Another day, another video. That's how we do this shit, man. You know the deal. Hell yeah. I have been reacting to band after band after band, males, females, all that. Metal is holding it down. I guarantee you if I jumped into like country right now, there's no way I would feel this way about it. We'll see later. You never know. There might be a time where a metal fan reacts to country music. We'll see. But another band that I'm listening to today, Infected Rain, Orphan Soul. And if I'm not mistaken, this is a female lead just destroying it. And I want to clear some things up. Like, I am not a sexist man. I just have a hard time understanding how females do the things that men do with their voice. It has nothing to do with their skills, okay? I like females way more than I like men. Figure that shit out. But that's the only thing that holds me back. So if I say, how the fuck is she doing this? It has nothing to do with her being a female. It's all about her voice. That's all it's about. So don't get it fucked up and twisted. Like social media be bending our minds and shit. I'm not a hater. I am definitely not a sexist man. I love women and I love men and whatever the fuck. Let's get back to the point. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share it with your homies. Do all of that. Shit is necessary, man. Hell yeah. Infected Rain, Orphan Soul. That's what we're doing. Let's go. Slow it down. Slow it down. Infected Rain. So here we go again. See, so every time I come into one of these videos where there's a new female lead, I have to wonder, is that woman that they first showed in the video the one that screams and growls and does that shit? I think the answer is yes. Is there a reason why they're all so beautiful? Is that just because that's the way it works? Or what the fuck is the deal? I don't know. I'm tired of fucking being that misogynistic pig that y'all think I am. So her scream's different, okay? It's not as deep. So now maybe you understand when I can't put it into perspective how females scream differently or how they don't scream differently than men, how they do the same thing that men do. And then we listen to a girl like this and she's screaming like somebody's killing her. There's a difference there, right? That's a high pitch. And then you got the deep tone, and that's a difference. These other females take on the voice of a man. That growl is a man voice. I'm beginning to accept it as a female voice, and I will learn how to do that. But this voice is different, right? Can we agree? At least on that? Let me take it back. I bet you it takes forever to put together a metal band, unless you already know a bunch of people, like 7 to 10 different guitar players, 7 to 10 different drummers that you can just go through. I bet you the filter process to find a metal band is very difficult. It can't be easy. What, do you put the shit on Craigslist? You're like, hey, I need a good drummer for my metal band. No, fuck no, you don't do that. I mean, how does this work? Like, you always, it's about compilation and how these guys do their shit together. You can't build a metal orchestra without having good instruments, man. Like, how hard is it to find guitar players? How hard is it to find a drummer? It can't be easy. But yet, so many fucking bands figure it out. Please inform me. Put it in the comment section. Let me know. Is there like a Tinder for bandmates? I know that's a ridiculous question, but how else do you grab these people that are so good at doing this? I just cannot compute. Do you get it? So she's really good, but she's not as good as the last two women that I listened to do this. She's just not. Like, and I guess it goes back to what I was talking about before, that when you got that tone where you can growl, I don't want to say like a man, but when you can growl in that, tone of voice, you sound better. This one, it's more, to me at least, it comes off more as like you're screaming, and I like screaming, but it needs to sound a certain way for me. And this doesn't sound bad. It just doesn't really make me feel the same. So whatever, man. Who am I? It still goes hard. The band is still going hard. And I wish she would just kind of put more depth into her voice and focus on that. Not for my own personal satisfaction, but just because I think that's what makes it sound good. Is when you get that tone, that growl. That growl's real. This isn't a growl. This is like, I think a scream. And screams and growls are different, in my opinion. What the fuck do I know?
Burning in his freezing skin.
Tell by her voice, she's got range. She could probably do a lot of different things. I'm not sure metal's her thing though. Like maybe she should try something else and just see what it's like, you know, because she did a pretty good job. But I feel this crack in the voice when it comes down to the growling part. Like you really got to get that. You got to grasp that, because that's what people like me and probably a lot of metal fans probably love, is that growl being an extra instrument in the metal orchestra. And if it's not, it just sounds weird. It sounds different. I'm not saying she did bad. That's my opinion on it. So fuck my opinion, right? What does that mean? But that's what I hear when I hear it. So fuck, what are you gonna do? I liked it overall. I thought it was good. The band was really good. She's good too. She's really good. But it just doesn't hit me the same way that certain females that I've been listening to in metal hits me. It definitely sounds like a death scream. And when I say death, I mean like you're getting murdered scream, not like death metal or deathcore or any shit like that. But hey, I'm not gonna keep justifying my statements. Okay, it is what it is. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share it with your homies. Do all of that. Shit is necessary, man. Hell yeah. But hey, Infected Rain, Orphan Soul, shit went hard. I like it. I don't dislike it, that's for sure. I really dig it. Another song in the books. Stay safe. Don't fuck around. Wear your mask, goddammit. Until next time.